Hello and welcome to the next part of friction. In the next part, we are going to first talk about angle of friction. Angle of friction, this is body. This is the surface. We are talking about angle of friction. Let us draw the figure again. This is the surface and this is the body. Now the body will be having some weight. Suppose this is the weight of body. Okay. If this is the weight, some x Newton, then the opposite will be the reaction. So this is the normal. This is the normal. Okay. Now if I apply some force in this direction, whatever frictional resistance this surface can give to the body, a part of this friction will be mobilized until and unless there is the limiting friction. It means if this surface will be having some maximum amount of friction, maybe that friction is not generated right now. Okay, this force is less than the limiting frictional value, the limiting frictional resistance. In this case, some amount of friction will be generated. Again, if I increase this value, some more friction will be generated. Please understand that the body is not moving right now. Some more force I am applying, some more friction is generated. Some more force I am applying, some more friction is generated, and this is the limiting friction. Okay, this is the limiting friction. This is the limiting value of friction. After that, if I give a little bit more value of force in this direction, then the body will start to move. It means it is on the verge of moving. It is not moving, but it is just about to move under this force. This is the limiting value of friction. After this value, there is no more resistance that the surface can offer. So this is the friction limiting. Now this normal component and this limiting friction will have some resultant, and that resultant will go like this. Okay, this resultant is going like this. Whatever angle made by the resultant with the normal, this angle, suppose this is phi, this angle is called angle of friction. This angle is called angle of friction. So angle of friction is when the maximum friction, the maximum amount of friction is generated. In that case, the resultant is passing like this. In this case, if I put this value in here, I can do that easily. Okay. So if I put this value in here, then this is F limiting. Okay, this is F limiting. Then the angle between the resultant and the normal is called angle of friction. And what is its value? What is the value of it? Say if I write tan phi, then what is tan phi? Tan phi is the height, frictional force limiting value. Divided by the base, that is normal reaction. Okay. Now what is the limiting friction value? We know that is mu times frictional, the coefficient of friction times normal reaction. Okay, and here it is normal reaction. So this and this is gone mu. So tan phi is mu, or phi is equal to tan inverse mu. So this is the angle of friction. First of all, I am going to talk about angle of friction. Second thing comes in our mind is what is angle of repose. What is angle of repose? Suppose a body is resting on an inclined plane. This is an inclined plane. Okay? You have seen what will happen. This value say theta. If this value is theta, then theta will also be having some limiting value, after which this body will start moving in this direction. The body will start slipping. How? See, if this is the surface and if I put this in here, then it will not slide like this. But if I increase the angle, then this will slide like this. Okay? So after a particular value of theta, this will be moving downward. Clear? So let us see for what value this will be moving downward. See, this mass of this body will be acting like this mg. Okay? And if this is, just draw like this. If this is theta, this is 90 degrees. So this is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. And if this is 90 minus theta, this is total angle is 90. So this is again theta. Okay. If this is theta, then we can say that mg will be having two components. One in this direction, mg cos theta. One in this direction, mg sin theta. Okay. This body is slipping for some value of theta. Then frictional force will be generated in which direction? In the opposite direction. The body is slipping like this. Frictional force will be generated in this direction. This direction. Frictional force is generated. Okay. Now, what is the value of the frictional force? Frictional force is F is equal to mu times m. This is the mu. There is a coefficient of friction, mu, between the body and the surface, the inclined surface. What is the normal reaction? Normal reaction is m from summation of all vertical forces equal to 0. We can say this m and mg cos theta has got to be equal. So m is equal to mg cos theta. So right now we can write mu times mg cos theta. mg cos theta. Mu times mg cos theta is acting like this in this direction. Mu times mg cos theta. So this force, because of mg sin theta, it is coming like this. It is slipping, and this force is resisting force. Okay, it will not allow this body to slip. So this is the limiting. This is the value of frictional resistance, and this will have some limiting value. This will have some limit because frictional force has got some limit. Okay, at what point this value, this will fall down? For a particular value of theta, if I start increasing theta, then the body will fall down. That we know. Then, if I do the summation of horizontal force equal to 0, or in this direction the forces are equal to 0, then we will get for a particular value when mg sin theta will be equal to the resistive force mu times mg cos theta. Then it will just start to fall, just about to fall. It will not fall, just it will be under a condition when it will just start to slip. Okay. So for a particular value of theta, it will just start to slip. What is the value of theta? See, mg and mg is gone. Sin theta equal to mu times cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta is tan theta is equal to mu. or theta is equal to tan inverse mu. Right now we can write this theta to be theta r. It means angle of repose. So what is the angle of repose? That is tan inverse mu. Okay. Now angle of friction and angle of repose having the same formula, but the only thing different is the concept is different. So don't misunderstand these two. The concept of these two are different. Okay. Here there is some angle between the maximum force generated and the normal, the resultant and the normal, that is angle of friction. Angle of repose is the value of theta, because of which it will be just on the verge of slipping down. Okay, so this is the difference between angle of repose and angle of friction.